Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use Naver. When you open the Naver app, the first thing you see is the main home screen. On the home screen, you will find many types of news. There is news about sports, entertainment, and what is happening in the country and around the world. These sections update often, so you can always stay informed. As you scroll, you will also see blogs. These blogs are written by regular users and cover many topics like travel, food, technology, and daily life. They are helpful if you want real opinions or guides from people. The weather section is also visible on the home screen. It shows the temperature, air quality, and the forecast. This is helpful if you want quick updates before going outside. At the top of the screen, you will see the search bar. You can type anything you want into it. You can use English or Korean. For example, you can type news, weather, or a place you want to visit. Naver will show you results in different categories, including videos, blogs, maps, and more. If you want to find a location, you can use the map feature. It shows routes, nearby places, and transportation options. This is very useful when you are in Korea and need directions. If you prefer using Naver in a browser instead of the app, you can use the web version. The web version has a translate feature. This helps you understand Korean pages more easily, especially if you do not speak Korean. That is how you can use Naver on mobile and in your browser. Thanks for watching.